Hi parents, this is Miss Hoag. I wanted to share a little bit of information about our homework tonight. The students don't really have to write anything or answer any questions. I want them to manipulate the puzzle that we put together. So they're going to bring home this table with the word equation at the top, whole at the top, and two parts. And they're going to bring home a lot of little cards that they have to put together. So they do have equations on the back of their table to start you off. So I've got a student volunteer that kind of walk us through what the expectation is. All right, Mac, what are we gonna do about an equation here?
So the equation technically now is 10 take away 6 equals 4, but we change it.
So we're gonna go ahead and start with that because we want to start with the basic information. 10 minus 6 equals 4. And then the students should know that we start with the biggest number, and that's the whole. So we move the 10 into the whole category, right, Mac?
Yes.
Do that.
And then the parts are 6 and 4.
The parts are 6 and 4. And what I would like to have a conversation with you about, or for you to have conversation with your students, is that it doesn't matter the order of the parts. The parts are interchangeable. They can be 10 minus 6 is 4, or 10 minus 4 is 6. We also have a plus sign that, I don't know if it's down here or not. Yeah, we have a plus sign. So I wanted them to also have a conversation about these three numbers being part of a fact family. And if we do a plus sign up here, now how do we reassemble this with a plus sign, Mac?
Well, first it was 10, and then before that there was a takeaway, but now there's a plus. So technically now there's going to be 6 right there because there was 6 right there before.
Mm-hmm.
And then there's going to be 4.
So look at that equation. Does 10 plus 6 equal 4?
10 plus 6 does not equal 4.
So we need to reconfigure our numbers, right? So what do?
We do
this is still the whole.
We do either 4 at the first or 6 at the first. It doesn't matter. The part, it's the 6 and 4 are the parts. It doesn't matter where they go. So, but 10 is gonna be the whole time.
That's right. So can you move these? Can you manipulate those into the right place? 10 is the whole. 4 and the 6 are still the parts. They just are reconfigured, right?
Yeah, you can change them if you want to, but you don't have to. You just can.
Let me ask you this, Mac, because I do have some students that are ready for this. If I put the 10 in the front, then what does our sentence look like?
Then our sentence probably looks like...
You're right. 6 plus?
6 plus 4.
There you go. And then it doesn't matter what
Yes.
order. So parents, if you can just spend a few minutes this afternoon talking about this property of addition and subtraction and the fact families that we've created. It does seem like a little bit of a mess when they bring these home, but they do have sentences on the back of their table that will help you organize these digits. Thank you guys, and have a great night. Enjoy your Monday evening. Bye-bye.